Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So with Christmas just around the corner, I've decided to finally open a very special collector's tarot deck that I've been holding on for a few years now. So this is the Winter-Waite Glitter Edition. And I purchased it from the Tarot Collectibles. So you see their name there. So I've been wanting to work with this deck for a very long time. So I'm so excited to share with you this deck and go through a walkthrough with you. It is worth noting the history of the series. So it all started with the original in 2018, but many of you might remember the Santa's Helper in 2020 edition, which was a much more playful, whimsical Christmas version. And followed that was this one, the 2021 Glitter Edition that we are looking at today. And later came the 2022 Redux, which featured completely redrawn pastel artwork. But for me, this 2021 edition is very special, so I can't wait to open it and reveal the cards. So I'm seeing this for the first time with you. So first I'm going to take off the plastic. So the back says, "Winter has come to the world of Waite-Smith. We hope this deck will bring a little joy to your festive readings. This very limited glitter edition, created in late 2021, has all the Christmas cheer and charm of our original 2018 version. May all your festive wishes come true, and may a happy new year await you." Concept and design by Christine. As I mentioned before, it's from Tarot Collectibles. So let's open the box. So we're going to flip through each card, and that way you get to see each of these lovely festive cards. Let's see if you could see the shimmer. Do you see the glitter? So that's the Fool. So let's do the walkthrough. And this is the back. The Magician. I love her red hat for the High Priestess. I love the winterized details. Oh, this is so gorgeous. The Empress is always gorgeous, but she looks very regal in her red gown. The Emperor. Normally the Emperor is very stoic, isn't he, and serious energy, but here he's dressed up as Santa, so it's very playful. The Hierophant. I love how it kind of shimmers gold. The Lovers. The Chariot. It's like Santa on his sleigh with the reindeer. Strength. The Hermit. And you could see that the glitter is under a lamination, so it gives the art a jewel encrusted look. So there's nothing coming off on my hands. Wow, so pretty. Justice. So there's the list, the nice or the naughty list. the Hanged Man, the Death card. I've never seen such a fancy death card. I like this a lot. It's very nice. Temperance. The Devil. Very different. The Tower. For some reason in this one, it doesn't seem as scary. The Star. The Moon. Oh my. The Sun. And it says New Year. It says Happy New Year, actually. Very nice. Beautiful. Judgment. The World. It says Happy Holidays. Ace of Cups. So now we're getting into the cups. Two of Cups. Now we're getting into the Pentacles, so Ace of Pentacles. I love the choice in green. It's very pretty. It's a soft green. Interesting for the Three of Pentacles. Love this King of Pentacles. Very nice. So now we're getting into the swords. Look at the icicles. Can you see the sparkle right there? I like how the glitter is all over the card. What a treat these cards are. Now we're getting into the wands, Ace of Wands. Very festive for the Four of Wands. Five of Wands. Doesn't it sparkle like a diamond? It's like jewelry. It's like jewels, little mini jewels. Eight of Wands. And I have to say the cards are nice and feel very substantial. I like how they feel. 10 of Wands. Snow adds to the heaviness of it, the weight that they're carrying. The beautiful Queen of Wands. Wonderful King of Wands. And there's another Chariot card. And we have this card here. So a Three of Pentacles. So that's it. So this feels wonderful. So let's take a look at the cards. Though the cardstock is quite thick and sturdy, the matte finish on the front makes it glide quite well. So let's see how it shuffles. Shuffles beautifully. They shuffle wonderfully, as you can see. So just for fun, let's pull the top card and see what energy is surrounding us as we move towards the new year. Okay, so we have the Queen of Swords. So this is going to be a year where we speak our truth. We are fierce. We're going to be cutting out what no longer serves us. We are going to be taking care of ourselves, taking care of our needs, and we're not going to be anyone's doormat, you could say. So wonderful energy that we're going to carry with us into the new year. So I love this for us. I can't wait to use this deck in my future readings. This deck really felt like unwrapping a Christmas present. Every card was beautiful, festive, and whimsical. And my only regret is that I didn't open this sooner. Which card stood out to you the most in this edition? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next reading. Bye!